This is Hilinawalo Fau, located in South.
Selamat datang kami ucapkan kepada tamu kami dari negara Austria yang telah meluangkan waktunya untuk berkunjung di desa Hilinawalo Fau dan desa Batu. Mari kita sambut dengan ucapan selamat datang ya Irama Dasiulu. Isa na gua sa mafusi ay Irama na wa.
So those who are welcomed by the king and the elders will be treated as a friendly guest. But if you are not welcome by the king and the elders, it means that you are their enemies. Yang mereka bilang di sana dan diterima oleh para pasukan Austria. The rhymes were sang by the elders, and the warriors will respond the rhymes with a song. When we are united. Thomas, Mr. Wolfgang, Dominic, and Mirza, if you want to take the picture from this event, you are welcome to take, no problem. Yeah. You can take your position for taking the picture and video. Please feel free. So with a friendly welcoming drinks with a coconut, which from Hilinawalo Fau, Batu from the coconut tree, grown in Hilinawalo Fau. The stone you are sitting on is the place where is called Fogaile. Fogaile means the process of serving the betel nut to the guests.
Ayam jantan yang telah menang di dalam peperangan.
So the fighting is called Famanu Manu. It means the cock who win the fight in the battlefield.
Thank you very much.
Terima kasih banyak
Heartily welcome.
yang atas sambutan yang sangat meriah ini.
It was, I think, one day in our lives we will never forget.
Satu hari yang tidak akan terlupakan dalam kehidupan kami.
And believe me, from today, you're into our hearts. We will never forget you. And I hope you don't forget us.
Dan percayalah bahwa sejak hari ini kalian berada dalam hati kami, dan kami harap juga kalian tidak akan melupakan kami.
And one thing you must know.
Satu hal yang perlu Bapak Ibu tahu,
you're wonderful village.
Kalian adalah desa yang luar biasa, dan kami sangat mengaguminya.
Very kind, very beautiful people.
Sangat baik dan orang-orang sangat ganteng dan cantik-cantik.
Thank you very much for giving us the chance of being here.
Dan terima kasih banyak atas kesempatan yang diberikan kepada kami untuk berada di sini.
All the best. We stay in our hearts.
Kami berdoa untuk yang terbaik bagi sesama kita. Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo!
Yahoo!
So we're just at the end of a wonderful trip. We saw a whole Nias with the best guide we could imagine with Java. And we are very, very happy today. Tomorrow we will leave. That's not why we are happy, but we are happy to have experienced a wonderful week. And thank you for all.
Yeah, dear Mr. Java, I told you you're the greatest guide in Indonesia, not just Nias. But for any people considering going to Indonesia, I would recommend Nias and would recommend you and go Nias tour, because you really make people happy. You show them what they want to see, whatever it is, wildlife, culture, old villages with old house forms. Very charming people on the way, you know them all. So we are very happy, and I think this is one of the most remarkable places in the world, and we've been in the world.
It was an amazing trip. We've experienced so many new things, and I can say Nias, although not really well known, is definitely a place worth visiting. Great, yeah. So many beautiful things, so many delicious fruits we could experience, taste of. And yeah, I could say I totally recommend Nias tours. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I can say the same thing as the other one, but I think it's very important to see the nature and the culture of Nias, and in that trip we saw it very often. Nature and culture, and the mix of nature and culture was very important for me. And also the people very friendly, and Java was very friendly, and I always feel safe on the trip. So also it's